As we continue to make better products, the amount of data continues to grow, and with data growth comes increased complexity. For your data management solution, we have SOLIDWORKS PDM. To address the complexity, we have SOLIDWORKS Manage with PDM built in. SOLIDWORKS Manage helps your design to manufacturing strategy in many ways, but in the next couple of minutes we're going to look at a specific case for automating the roll-up of a bill of materials. I'm reusing the front lounge assembly from the Tracker RV for a new layout as you see here. At this point I just need to figure out the number of instances for some components. More specifically, these hinge subassemblies, so I can order them from my supplier. As you can see, these subassemblies are buried in the design tree and reused throughout. How can I get a count of these hinges easily? Fortunate for me, the design data is stored inside SOLIDWORKS PDM, and I can view the bill of materials here without having to open the model. I can switch to the parts only view, but this doesn't tell me what I need to know. Neither does the top level only view. I'm left in a very similar position. I could export the BOM to Excel and calculate the total quantity, or I could use SOLIDWORKS Manage and save a lot of time. How easy could this be? Right click on the assembly, go to SOLIDWORKS Manage, and open the record. From this item-centric approach, I not only see the properties synced from PDM, I can view the BOM similar to before. This time, however, I can activate the flat view, which rolls up every component, parts and subassemblies. Now I have my count, 4 left-hand and 4 right-hand hinges. Let's take this to a higher level, without creating more CAD files. Browsing the records in SOLIDWORKS Manage, I can access and view the same information that we accessed from PDM moments ago. This time, however, I want to create a BOM that has 5 instances of my new front lounge assembly. To do this, we create a new record, define some properties, and edit the bill of materials. From here I can add any item I wish, regardless if there is any CAD associated to it. I browse and search Manage similar as before to add 5 instances of the front lounge. After saving, I can activate the flat view again and get my new roll-up, 20 left-hand and 20 right-hand hinges coming my way. Would this be helpful for you? Please leave a comment below and contact us at qintegration.com to learn more about SOLIDWORKS Manage.